The boys at sound check. Y'all gotta check the mics.
There's only 3 mics in this group, Ryan. Kill 4.
4 dead. Mad Links in the background. Y'all not gotta sing, y'all?
Yeah.
Sing, son. Y'all get the crowd going crazy.
Yeah.
Let it go, though, in the style, baby girl, it's growing like that. Baby, it's something that we stop running after. You know what's on my mind. Just to say no, time is running on. That's my baby's no time. We are leaving this now. Let's have an argument. Cause it don't make no type of sense. We can go all day with it. What we do, we can't wait till oh, and I'm not giving up. Gotta be serious. Just do what's best for us and hang it up. So let it go. Let it go. I don't wanna let you go, baby, but we gotta let it go. But we gotta let it go now. I know how you're feeling, and baby, you wouldn't wanna hurt me, but trust me, it's something that we both need and must be. We didn't wanna say goodbye, cause I ain't wanna see you go. It's like we don't. The music needs to be turned up. Yeah, we might as well just go home. You gotta go. Oh, y'all coming tomorrow? Y'all coming tomorrow? Oh, y'all just here for today? What? Yeah, we should just perform for real, right? Let's go.
Ladies.
Young fellas.